What's going on, fam? It's your boy Slab coming at you today with another, a new unboxing video. I've been gone for a while, okay? I understand that. I completely understand. I've been gone for a minute. But, yeah, let's get to it because I'm really excited about this one because it completes a collection that I was, in the midst of collecting. Now I got the collection. So, for those of you that have stuck around, that are still around, you guys remember, I believe it started with this one, the Manga Tarot. And then I went from that one to, let me get it. This one's a Chonk Lord. To this one. And now I have the final piece of the Manga Tarots. At least for now, I think. The traditional manga. I cannot explain how excited I am to get this. Like, I got this, and I have to say, I opened it up immediately because I was super excited. I couldn't wait. I haven't shuffled the cards or anything like that. This is what it comes in. I just, that's the packaging and everything like that. All right. So, Slev, shut the hell up and show us what it looks like. Okay, so here's the back, and I must say I really like the back of this. What? I've waited so long. I love this artwork. Like, if I could, make it the background of my phone, I would. Or, to my computer. That is so dope. So freaking dope. Okay. I'm super excited. Alright, here we go. The Fool. The Magician. High Priestess. The Empress. Emperor. Oh my god, I love this artwork. What? Hierophant. The Lovers. Chariot. Strength card. Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Look at that. That is so cool. Justice. Hangman. Death. Oh, that is so cool. He's got his little companion there. Oh, both of them. Two little companions. I wonder what that is. Is that a mask? No, right here. This one right here. Is that a mask? Or is it like another companion? I'm not so sure. That's interesting. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. Moon. Sun. Judgment. Oh, wow. Alright, I was going a little fast. I apologize. Moon. The Star. The Tower. That's actually pretty interesting. Oh, okay, here's the person right here. Okay. It looked like puff cloud, but it's actually a person. It's one person, really. The Devil. I'm just going back real quick, guys. I was really in a hurry. Okay, the Sun card. The Judgment card. The World. That's nice. Ace of Cups. Oh, that's cool. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. That's actually pretty interesting because you could actually see the person, like coming out, trying to give this man a cup. This is so cool. All right. Five of Cups. Wait, yeah, the Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Oh my god, I love this freaking artwork. Look at this. Look how vibrant it is. Look at that. Wow. It's the Eight of Cups moving away. Nine of Cups. Ten of Cups. Page of Cups. That's cool. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. This is actually the what's it called? The cover. King of Cups. Alright. Pentacles. Here we go. Now, I must say that the cardstock is actually very, very thin. So, it's actually thinner than most of the Scarabeo decks that I have. Like, it's the thinnest. It's literally the thinnest cardstock I've seen so far from a low Scarabeo deck. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. 5. 6 of Pentacles. 7. 8. 9. Wow. I love this artwork, man. I can't express how much I truly do love this artwork, and I really, truly love this deck. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. She's holding on to that. To dear life. Nurturing it. King of Pentacles. Wands. Oh, wow, that's cool. That is cool. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. That's cool right there. I like that. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. I love that. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. I actually really like this one the most because, like, usually you see the wands and that's it, you know? This one, she's like directing where she wants the wands to go, which is so dope. I love that. I love that. Oh, I clip my nails. Let's see here. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. And the Ace of Swords. Here we go. The swords now. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Oh, man. That is dope. It's like a shogun type thing. Or like a shogun or a samurai. It looks like more like a shogun to me. Six of Swords. This person's got wings. And it blends in with the mountains. Like a guardian angel is guiding them to calmer waters or traveling. That's cool. It's so cool. I love that. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page. I love that. Oh, so she's got two swords. Alright, or a dagger, maybe. Maybe a sword and a dagger. This one's ready for battle. Queen of Swords. And last but not least, the King of Swords. Alright, now that we went through this whole ordeal, I understand, and you guys know, I am an avid shuffler, and I'm desperately wanting to know how these shuffle. So let me move all this aside. All right. Man, let's take a look at that card one more time before that's so dope. All right, here we go. The first shuffle. Oh man, I feel as though I'm gonna get a clean, really good shuffle out of this. Here we go. Wow. Wow. All right. One more go. These are absolutely amazing to shuffle. Like, holy cow. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna, like, just chill with them for a while and just shuffle the shit out of them. Because that's how good they shuffle. So smooth, man. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, look at what popped up as I shuffled. The 8 of Wands, incoming message. Okay. I'll take that incoming message, you know what I'm saying? Sure. Let's see here. Ooh, should I trust it though? Interesting. All right, so as per usual, I've been doing this lately with my videos. I usually, I guess, give you guys an oracle reading really quickly. So let's see, which one am I gonna take a look at? You know what? Let's go with this one. The good old Moonology. Ooh, move the camera. Sorry about that. All right, let's do a quick shuffle. And before the shuffle, we have clear your mind. So maybe you guys are thinking too much or whatever. All right. Oop. All right, 2 more shuffles. Let me go ahead and cut them. All right, last shuffle. Oof. All right. Oh, Jesus. I'm not gonna lie, with this deck, it's like they get stuck together, the cards. All right, here we go. Honor your feelings. Okay. Well, keep your hearts open. See the bigger picture. And unleash your kindest self. Alright, guys. Well, I'm not going to go through all that. I'm just going to end it there. Alright. Guys, thank you for tuning in and checking out this manga, traditional manga tarot with me. Until next time, guys. Blessed be. Blessed be.